Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've prepped our ingredients, it's time to put everything in the pot and make this comforting dish come to life. Let's get cooking. Cooking the sinigang broth. Sauté the aromatics. Heat oil in a pot. Cook onions until soft, then add tomatoes until they break down. This builds a flavorful base. Add water and tamarind. Pour in 6-8 cups of water and the tamarind juice. Bring to a boil. Layer the vegetables. Start with radish, it needs the most time. Simmer for 5 minutes before adding eggplant and string beans, if using. Add the fish. Gently place the fish into the bubbling broth. Cook for 5-7 minutes. Overcooking makes it tough. Finish with greens. Toss in kangkong leaves and turn off the heat. They'll wilt from residual warmth. Season with fish sauce or salt to taste. The broth should be tangy but not face-puckering, more on that next. Tips for perfecting the sourness. Taste as you go. Add tamarind gradually. Start with half the amount, then adjust. Balance with salt. If it's too sour, a pinch of salt or a splash of fish sauce rounds it out. Alternative souring agents. Green mango adds a bright tang. Guava gives a sweeter note. Experiment to find your favorite. Acid at the end. A squeeze of calamansi just before serving heightens freshness without overpowering. First time cook. Don't rush the broth. Let it simmer to develop depth, but keep the fish cooking time short. The vegetables should be tender crisp, not mushy. Pairing and serving suggestions. Milkfish sinigang shines when served with the right accompaniments. The tangy broth, tender fish, and fresh vegetables deserve pairings that balance and enhance their flavors. Whether you're sticking to tradition or experimenting with modern twists, here's how to serve it best. Traditional and modern serving styles. Traditional. Sinigang is a communal dish, meant to be shared. It's often served in a large pot or deep bowl placed at the center of the table, with everyone scooping broth and fish onto their rice. This style emphasizes togetherness, just like Filipino family meals. Modern twists. Individual servings are gaining popularity, especially in restaurants or for aesthetic plating. Some chefs also fuse sinigang with other cuisines, like sinigang ramen. Tangy broth poured over chewy noodles. Sinigang grilled fish. A seared milkfish fillet topped with reduced sinigang broth. Deconstructed sinigang. Artfully arranged components for a contemporary take. Ideal side dishes. Steamed white rice is non-negotiable. It soaks up the sour broth and softens the tang. For extra texture and flavor, add crispy fried fish. Double down on Bangus by serving sinigang with fried milkfish belly. Grilled or roasted vegetables. Balance the soup's acidity with smoky charred veggies. Fresh salads. A simple cucumber tomato salad with vinegar dressing cuts through the richness. Best beverage pairings. The right drink cools the palate and complements sinigang's bold flavors. Calamansi juice. Its citrusy zing mirrors the soup's tang. Iced tea, unsweetened. A neutral refresher that doesn't compete with the broth. Coconut water. Lightly sweet and hydrating, perfect for hot days. Want something bolder? A cold beer or dry white wine works surprisingly well with the sour savory notes. Health benefits of milkfish sinigang. Milkfish sinigang isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that make it a smart choice for a balanced meal. The combo of lean fish, fresh vegetables, and tangy broth delivers protein, vitamins, and gut-friendly benefits in every bite. Here's why this dish is as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Nutritional breakdown. This soup is a powerhouse of essential nutrients thanks to its simple, whole ingredients. Lean protein. Milkfish is rich in high-quality protein, which helps repair muscles and keeps you full longer. A single serving provides roughly 20 grams. Vitamins and minerals. The vegetables add a nutrient boost. Kangkong, water spinach. Loaded with vitamin A for eye health and iron for energy. Radish and eggplant. Provide fiber and vitamin C for digestion and immunity. Tomatoes. Packed with lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health. Digestive aid. Tamarind's natural acidity stimulates appetite and supports gut health by promoting enzyme production. The broth itself is low in calories but high in flavor, making it a great option if you're watching your intake. Dietary adaptations. Sinigang's flexible recipe makes it easy to tweak for dietary needs. Low-sodium version. Swap fish sauce for a dash of low-sodium soy sauce or skip it entirely. Rely on fresh herbs, garlic, or ginger for extra flavor. Vegetarian twist. Replace milkfish with tofu or mushrooms. Use miso paste instead of fish sauce, and double up on veggies like okra and green beans. Low-carb option. Skip starchy vegetables, like radish, and load up on leafy greens and protein-rich fish. Craving more heat? Add chili peppers for metabolism-boosting capsaicin. Need extra creaminess? A spoonful of coconut milk adds healthy fats while softening the broth's tartness. No matter how you customize it, sinigang stays nutritious, comforting, and full of flavor. The next time you dig in, remember, you're treating your body as much as your cravings. Milkfish sinigang is more than a meal. It's a taste of tradition, comfort, and nourishment. Its tangy broth, tender fish, and crisp vegetables come together in a dish that's as satisfying to eat as it is simple to make. Whether you grew up with it or are trying it for the first time, this Filipino classic has a way of sticking with you. Try making it at home. Play with the sourness, swap in your favorite veggies, or keep it classic. Share your version with family or friends. It's the kind of food that tastes better when passed around the table. Once you've cooked it, tell us how it turned out. Did you add extra tamarind or sneak in a chili or two? The best part about sinigang is making it your own. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.